getting cold. Why not?
Okay, we're in Kmart now.
Yeah.
Part
Show her the
3.
underwear, y'all.
I'm not showing the underwear.
Look at
That's
this.
kind of not on
They got
camera.
faces on them.
We're looking at kind of
Girls' underwear.
inappropriate stuff.
Awkward feminine items.
I do need some though. Maybe
Wait.
I should get medium. Oh. Well, you or do the ordering.
Why do I have to?
Because I don't know what I'm saying.
You don't need to videotape me about it.
Is I want a dinner box.
Just be like, do you have a dinner box?
I don't know if they do.
Well, ask them about it. No.
What?
What?
I was like, don't act too suspicious because we're filming.
It's just we're vlogging, that's all. Just vlog.
See us eat our faces.
We're at McDonald's. We got ketchup.
We're waiting on Sam. Yeah, she'll be here soon.
We have ketchup packets. We're really tired. We're actually really busy.
I am.
2 cheeseburgers, 10 chicken nuggets, and 4 fries.
Awesome, I'm hungry kind of.
Kind of.
In ways. This is exciting.
Yeah, totally.